almost forgot about Universal Studios. Oh man, yucky. Hey, let me see the locker. Let's see the locker. Thank you for the locker. And I'll show you this. Ta-da! We're at the airport today, and we're going to Universal Studios tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty much the date. We're already in the plane, sitting and doing some very fun stuff today. Yeah, we're heading to Disney World. We're taking a video. And this is my dad. He's got a really big hole right here. I do not know how, but it sure is weird. But it really is weird. Like, I do not know how. And Fangs is coming to you. Okay, I'll show my eye. Okay, gotta get this perfect. Got my eye, right? Now let's check my mouth. Okay, my mouth is clear. And I'm talking into the speaker. 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 I'm talking. 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 Well, that was weird. And look at my check. We're in a plane.
Okay,
it's very weird. Whoa, I got snacks.
Are we about to take off?
Yeah. It's pretty a lot. Here's my window. Open, shut. Open, shut. God, that was tall.
Okay, get ready. Here it goes.
Okay, this is my sock. My lucky sock. Watch this. Ta-da! You can also have your air, and when you need something, you just press that button, and then whenever you want to light, you press that light button. And I'm still showing it some more. All right. Okay, let's check my nose. My nose is okay. So now let's check my foot.
Hold on. Show Elise.
Is that me yourself, Cannon?
Say for himself. Say hi.
Hi. Give it back to me, okay?
Where are we going?
Dance around.
Who are you going to see?
Give it back now.
Who do you want to see?
Get ready to give it back, okay? Mommy and Daddy.
You want to see Mommy and Daddy? Aww.
Give it back, please.
Okay. Here. Say bye-bye.
Give it back, please.
Okay. Stop recording.
Please give it back.
Here, give it to me.
Daddy needs it.
Okay, it's still recording. Hold on.
Okay, now let's back to me. It's back to me. Yeah, now I've got really short hair. Yeah, it was a long way to get to Mexico. I'm just pretending.
Yeah, we're not going to Mexico.
I'm just pretending that I live.
Make fun of faces.
And ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, we're down here holding short of runway 35 left, and ATC has pushed our departure back another 20 minutes, and we expect the wheels up at 24 minutes.
Look at him, look at him, look
past
at
the
him,
hour.
look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
So again, we do ask that you stay in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you.
Okay. Say bye-bye. We're not flying for a little bit.
But please come back, I love you.